Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Shopify store with TikTok. First, navigate to the Shopify App Store and install the official TikTok app. Once installed, you'll be prompted to either create a new TikTok for Business account or link an existing one. This crucial step allows for seamless integration. Finally, ensure your product catalog is successfully synced, making your items available for sale on TikTok. It's a straightforward process to get started. After connecting, the next step is to complete your TikTok shop setup. You'll need to undergo business verification within TikTok for Business, which ensures compliance and trust. Then, link your preferred bank account to receive payouts from your sales. Don't forget to configure your shipping options and clearly define your return policies. These steps are vital for a smooth operational flow and customer satisfaction. Once connected, managing your products and orders becomes incredibly efficient. Your product listings, including inventory and pricing, automatically sync from Shopify to TikTok, saving you valuable time. All orders placed through TikTok Shop will appear directly in your Shopify admin, allowing you to fulfill them as usual. You can also track detailed sales performance and analytics within your TikTok for Business dashboard. To maximize your success, leverage TikTok's powerful marketing tools. You can run highly targeted ad campaigns to reach new customers and drive traffic to your products. Explore features like live shopping and product showcases to engage your audience directly. Regularly analyze your sales data and customer insights from TikTok for Business to continuously optimize your strategy and achieve significant growth for your store.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.